title. Now, on the ladies' side, yes, we've talked about Edna and what to expect. But one other lady that Kenyans will be looking at is Hellen Obiri. Remember, she moved from the track to road running, and today she will be at Boston. Let's listen in on what to expect from her.
I can say my preparation has been going on well. I've been having like 3 months of preparation, and I know Boston is a tough course and it's a big challenge for me. But as well, I can say I'm well prepared for the challenge ahead on Monday. Yeah.
And what was the transition like going from, your dominant career on the track, then transitioning to the roads with the marathon last year?
It's a big challenge for me, and it's a sacrifice moving from track to road races to marathon. It's something like, I can say it's special to me because I wanted to do this and this and this. So for me, it's a challenge doing a marathon, but I'm mentally focused on doing it.
Well, Hellen Obiri is saying that she's mentally focused on winning the Boston Marathon. So remember, the marathon kicks off at around 4:30 p.m. Kenyan time. We'll be waiting to see how the Kenyans perform in that marathon. Now, let's move away from some athletics. Let's get into some English